Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this. You're back with another episode of me, Mr. AJ Focus. Just uploading some really quick videos lately, just to show you that I'm doing little things in the background. I thought I might as well upload some little videos like this, just to keep things a little bit more fresh and interesting on the channel. So, I'm about to go pick up, finally, some tyres for the Fiesta. Now, I went for these tyres because I've had them before in the past and I've had no issues in the past. I'll show you once I get there, pick them up from the workshop, and then we're going to go straight to the garage, get them fitted. All four tyres getting done. Finally get rid of these horrible RunFlat tyres that are on the Fiesta. They're squeaky, they're uncomfortable. It's just not a very nice tyre, or tyres to have on a car like this. Yeah, we've got ourselves some new tyres. 4 new tyres going on the Fiesta. Can't wait. I'm just here letting the Fiesta sort of warm up. I've got the Clio right next to me, as I just saw in the opening. It's cool seeing these two together. I ain't gonna lie, I absolutely love it. I think it's brilliant. But unfortunately, that one's staying here today. Yeah, unfortunately she's staying here today. So anyway, let's get over to the workshop because I ain't got long because the garage closes in a few hours, so I need to get to them first. I need to get them, pick up the tyres, put them in the car, and then drive to the garage and get them fitted. They close early on a weekend, so yeah, so let's get there, get these tyres fitted, and finally have some decent grip, some decent comfort, and some decent performance on the tyres, and get rid of these horrible RunFlats are on here. Hated them. I didn't realise they were RunFlats at first, not until I went to a garage and they said, oh, you got RunFlats on here. No wonder your ride is uncomfortable, and it is. So yeah, let's get going guys, super excited for this. Enjoy today's video. Remember, like and subscribe if you're going to want to do that. And follow me on Instagram. Pictures and videos are there. If you want to see anything behind the scenes, a lot more pictures, a lot more sort of videos are available on Instagram all the time. I'm always active on there, so get on there, it's AJ Focus. And there's lots of that car on there as well, and other cool cars that I go and video and take pictures of. So yeah, please get on Instagram. Come on, AJ Focus. Let's go. Right guys, got the tyres, got some Nankans NS2Os. I had these on the Focus ST. If they can handle that power of the Focus ST, I'm sure they can handle a diesel bloody Fiesta. But super excited to get these brand new tyres on, as you can see. Let's go. I ain't got long. I've got half an hour until the guy closes his shop. Get all these on. Look at that fresh new rubber. So I went for the secondary tyre because there's only 2 brands of tyres I really like, and there's these Nankans NS2s like this and the Uniroyal Rain Sports. Those are the only 2 tyres I run on my cars, because they are absolutely fantastic. And look at that grip in there. Let's go, let's go. So I ain't got long. Let's get going. I'll see you guys at the garage. Oh, at the garage now, guys. All 4 tyres are off. I need to get under again and give this a good clean, I think. You know me, I like to get under my arches and give it a good clean every now and then. Losing the colour under there. But yeah, there's my tyres there. He's got 1 out of 3 on so far, so getting there. So yeah, this thing's going to feel nice in a minute. And that is it guys, I'm back at the workshop. I'm just about to go and give him a clean, a good wipe over, and a bit of a touch up as well. Obviously I'm going to get these refurbished as well this year. I'm going to go like a darker silver, like a gun, like I don't know, put like a bit of dark black in the silver and try and darken this. I still want them silver, but I just want them a little bit darker. But yeah, 4 new Nankans on here, NS2s, all round. I'll tell you what, I just drove it back here, night and day. Honestly, compared to having those horrible bloody Continental RunFlats on there. Even them at the garage said, why have you got RunFlats on it? I was like, I don't know, they came with the alloys and I was just running them in. I didn't realise they were RunFlats, but now I've got these on here. It's completely changed the ride comfort. The braking as well has completely changed. yeah, obviously these are, I've only bedded them in about 4 or 5 miles, so I need to bed them in a bit more until they start like properly working at their performance levels, because every time I go near the accelerator it just wants to slip a little bit at the moment. Like I said, I need to run them in, so can't wait to see what this feels like now. 4 new tyres. Car is looking great. I've been wanting to get some bloody decent tyres on this car for such a long time, and now I have. Oh, it rides so much better, even with the bust shock absorber, which I am changing. I'm changing both shocks on the back. I've got lowering shocks that are coming, so that's going to definitely help as well as ride comfort. And yeah, but there we go. Thanks very much for watching, guys. That's my little video today on getting 4 new tyres for the Fiesta ZSD. Thanks very much for watching. See you on my next little video. Remember to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see some pictures. There's a sort of behind the scenes and stuff as well. AJ Focus, get on there and follow me, and then you get to see a lot more up close and personal stuff as well. So see you then, guys. Thanks very much for watching today's video, and I'll catch you later on. But yeah, damn, that feels nice now. Much nicer to drive, much more comfortable. Perfect. See you later.